Now the obvious question is, what are the factors for selection? What are the factors for selection for residency? First factor is step 1 CK 240 plus CS pass in first attempt. Then of course is the CV. What are the factors in CV? First is of course you require a good clinical rotation. You require a good LOR from American doctor. You require a good marks in your first year, second year, third year, final year subjects. So do not ignore your medical school. Take it seriously. Specialty focused work. So if I say I like pediatrics, I need to do work with my pediatric department of my medical college. I need to participate in quiz competitions or workshops, CMEs organized by pediatric department. Volunteer work which I do with my community medicine or a PSM department or with external NGOs, with or without the capacity of you being a physician. Extracurricular activities beyond medicine, what all things you're involved in. So one of my students applying this year, he's a stand-up comic. He's a part-time stand-up comic. Whatever is your interest, you could do that. Research is very important. And finally, language. Somebody said that she's preparing for Spanish language. That's a good thing. At Moksh, we train every student to learn Spanish language because that's a key to your success in America. And finally, of course, we train you for interviews. So that's how you build a profile, and this does not happen overnight. Yes, Spanish is the only language, Priyanka, which will help you because that's the most spoken language in America. After English, the most spoken language globally is Spanish. The South Americans, the Europeans in America, everybody speaks Spanish language. So international students need to get hold of this language. Okay, in fact, there are a lot of states in America where it will be very difficult to even communicate if you don't know Spanish. There are a lot of locals who don't know English. Okay, so that's how the reality is. America is world of immigrants. Yeah, French is popular in Canada. If you go to Canada, there are certain provinces where French is popular, not in US. So how we help students? So we help students with the entire preparations of USMLE, clinical rotation, residency match at different level. But the reality is 15,000 people prepare for USMLE in India, but last year only 1,094 were matched. What is the reason 14,000 talented Indian students did not succeed? Is it lack of information or option? No. Unfortunately, in India, people rely on this WhatsApp Telegram group where success is as the group members. So 1 out of 256 people succeed. Some people do this American company review course in Pune or Hyderabad, which is very fast paced, only one company content, very limited time, 4 months, 7 months, 9 months. They ask for more money. If you ask them live lectures, more money, and no much support which is provided. In fact, a lot of these companies, they tell you to do entire coaching in America and increase your budget by 50 lakhs. So that's not recommended. Our program is designed keeping in mind year on year content of different companies, parallel to medical college, real-time support for 5 years with USMLE CV, and within 20 lakhs your entire expenditure. This is not our fees, this is the total expenditure which you will incur if we tell you what to do. We do not charge you this money, please don't get confused, but this is your total expenditure. All right, so this is how the procedure works. We have our program where we help you. In fact, a lot of international medical students, I told you, students from 8 to 10 different countries study. They start as early as right after their NEET UG exams. So they do this preclinical foundation, then they do, once they are in the second year, first year, second year, they do this clinical foundations. Then they do when they are in the internship year, do the module 3 where we help you with clinical rotation. Finally, after graduation, we help you with a matching service. So it's a long haul process, and we are there to support you at every level. So a complete program, and the reason why students prefer our program is because we have artificial intelligence based software, test analytics, active learning, doubt solving, and unlimited validity. We don't have a concept where you pay and after 4 months your ID gets blocked. No, we will support you till the date you are ready. A lot of our students who are not successful in the third year, come to us in internship year. We are more than happy to help. So our program does not have a validity. Once you join our program, you can continue with us for the next, as long as you can appear the step 1 exam. So there is no issue as such. So those who want a trial login of this software, you can very well, I'll give you the number where you can get the details. You can see you have live lectures, you have assignments, you have tests, and you can also experience the test and assessment, artificial intelligence, study guide, career tools, career library, what to become, what marks are required to become an anesthesiologist, ENT specialist. Everything is there. News and updates, study guide, study material, everything is there on this single platform of Moksh Academy. All right, great. So those who wish to kind of further uh, understand the process or want a personalized counseling can connect our counselors on this number, or they can WhatsApp us on this number for a free mock test, or they can email us on usmle@mock16.com.